Number 1. The morning glory cloud. The morning glory cloud is a rare phenomenon consisting of a low-level atmospheric solitary wave and associated clouds. Occasionally observed in different locations around the world, the wave often occurs as an amplitude, ordered series of waves forming bands of roll clouds. Number 2. Eternal Flame Fall. The Eternal Flame Fall is a small waterfall located in western New York. A small grotto at the waterfall's base emits natural gas which can be light to produce a small flame. This flame is visible nearly year round. Number 3. The Sailing Stones, also called sliding rocks, walking rocks, or moving rocks. The geological phenomena in which rocks move and inscribe long tracks along a smooth valley floor without animal intervention. The movement of rocks occurs when large sheets of ice a few millimeters thick and floating in an ephemeral winter pond break up on sunny day. Trails of sliding rocks have been observed and studied where the number and length of tracks are notable. Number 4. Lake Natron in Tanzania. It is one of the most serene lakes in Africa, the lake that turns animal to stone. The alkaline water in Lake Natron has a pH as high as 10.5 and so caustic it can burn the skin and eyes of animals that aren't adapted to it. And thereby the lake turns the animals to stone. Number 5. Door to Hell, also known as Darwaza Gas Crater or Gates of Hell, is a natural gas field collapsed into a cavern located in Darwiz, Turkmenistan. Geologists intentionally set it on fire to prevent the spread of methane gas, and it is thought to have been burning continuously since 1971. Its diameter is 69 meters and its depth is 30 meters. Number 6. Bird Suicide Mystery. Jatinga, a small tribal village and Assam's only hill station, is known for the mysterious suicide of birds during certain weeks of the year. Every year during late monsoon, several migratory as well as the local birds fly to this village after sunset and kill themselves by thrashing into trees, houses, and lights. For many years, the local villagers thought that the evil spirits present above the sky are the only one responsible. But researchers think that birds do not commit suicide. According to them, during the late monsoon, most of the water bodies in Assam are flooded, so the birds have to migrate to other places and Jatinga falls into their migratory path. Birds there rush towards the light sources and on their way, they collide with obstacles like branches of trees and die. Well, some of theories could be true, but none of it is proven yet. The real reason behind this phenomenon still remains a mystery. Number 7. Fish Rain. Mexican state of Tamaulipas in September 2017. It would sound like this rain in the form of fish. Yes, fish, you heard right. Only fish and water falling from the sky. Imagine how surprised you would be if you go outside to do shopping, walk down the street holding an umbrella over your head and see small fish lying around everywhere. We believe that's quite weird, but the local stray cats think this is the best rain ever in their lives. You might probably wonder, how is it possible for fish to fall from the sky? It's actually quite simple and easy to explain. This rare weather phenomenon happens when somewhere in the ocean a water spout occurs. Low atmospheric pressure and enormously strong wind lift fish from the surface of the water to the sky. After a while, the wind brings a whirlwind of fish to the land and causes this unusual rain. Though this natural phenomena is considered rare, it happens almost every year. For example, another fish rain occurred in Australia in March 2016. To be more precise, it happened near Winton in Outbreak, Queensland. The locals were very surprised to find fish in places with no river or other bodies of water nearby. That's the kind of humor Mother Nature has. Number 8. Spider rain. This unique phenomenon happened in May 2015. Spider precipitation were observed near Goulburn, New South Wales. People started panicking. It was as if they suddenly got into some horror movie. Many even thought that the end of the world had come. But scientists, as usual, reassured everything, claiming that there is nothing unusual about spider rain. A similar phenomenon happens around the world, for example in the UK, USA and Brazil. The thing is, in May and August, newborn spiderlings climbs trees and weave something like parachute from their web. Then the wind picks them up and carries them around. This is the way spiders spread to new territories. Number 9. Blood rains. Here we have another rare natural phenomenon which can also scare the hell out of the people. Imagine you go outside and see blood falling from the sky instead of rain. Sounds like another scene from a horror movie. But once every several years, people encounter red rains. Of course, this is not blood, it's just colored water. However, each time this phenomenon occurs, it sparks up a lot of debates. Some believe that the rain is colored by the expulsion of the meteoroids. Others claim that colored particles are extraterrestrial cells. However, scientists put an end to all these speculations, and every time they find logical explanation for what happened. For example, red rain in India, which was observed in 2001, was colored by algae spores. They reached the atmosphere and then mixed with precipitation. The red water which fell on the territory of Sri Lanka in 2012 also had traces of certain algae, and the blood rains in Europe actually consist of water and red dust. Number 10. Indonesia is a country where the locals face certain consequences of volcanic activity almost every day. The country is shaken by earthquakes almost on a daily basis. If that weren't enough, there are 130 active volcanoes here.